Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, my student.
Morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
I'm very fine today. Thank you. So, before our two learning, Miss to absent for you today. Okay? What is going today?
Nothing.
Outing. Okay, the weather is good. Look at it. Look at is it your friends? Tidak ada ya? Nothing ya? Masuk semua ya?
Ya.
Okay, thank you. Before our two learning, let's pray together.
Semua siap, berdoa dimulai. Bismillah.
Finish. Okay, my student. Before our two learning, Miss give you the ice breaking today. Please, you can follow me. Yes?
Yes.
SMP 5.
Yes.
SMP 5.
Bisa.
SMP 5.
Oke.
SMP 5.
Iko.
Good job. Okay, my student, before our learning, Miss give explanation about the purpose today. Making suggestion is to my idea, and the student is mengidentification is the word soul, and the students speak in English. Other student. Oke, tujuan kita pembelajaran hari ini adalah tentang making suggestion. Karena making suggestion itu bisa mengidentifikasikan kalian cara berbicara. Berbicara bahasa Inggris menggunakan kata should, let's. For example, let's go to movie. Berarti ayo kita nonton. And then, Miss menanyakan sama kamu, kemarin kita pelajaran apa? Giving opinion.
Yeah.
Itu artinya to ask. Yesterday is the material. Giving opinion.
Yeah.
Giving opinion and asking. Giving opinion and making suggestion is to relate. The relate is good. And giving opinion is to speak in English according to me, according to us, dan according to you. Making suggestion is to using soul, place, and my idea. You can and other student. Jadi di sini, if you want choose the making suggestion is suggestion itu apa? Saran. Giving opinion itu adalah meminta pendapat. Jadi dua-duanya berkaitan. Okay, next student. Okay, Miss, two question. Please, you can the answer for me. Miss, ada dua pertanyaan. Yang the first question is, have you to advise your parents?
Yes.
Yes, okay. What is advice the parents? Saran apa yang kamu berikan orang tua kamu? Oh.
Example observation that I have asked are ways to better understand.
Okay, good. Very good today. Example is okay. Now, before our learning, Miss give you the watching the movie video. Please, you can like art in the video today.
What can I do? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May the peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be with you. Hi everyone, welcome back to Magdalena English. It's me, Magdalena, and today we're going to learn about suggestion and recommendation. So suggestion means saran, and recommendation means rekomendasi. Jadi dua kata ini tuh intinya sama-sama saran, sama-sama tawaran ide kepada seseorang. So in this video, we're going to learn about how to ask for someone's suggestions, how to give suggestions, and how to respond to suggestions. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first one we have asking for suggestion. Meminta saran kepada seseorang. Apa saja sih ekspresi yang bisa kita gunakan untuk menanyakan saran kepada seseorang dalam bahasa Inggris? Yang pertama kita punya what should I do? Apa yang harus aku lakukan? Any ideas? Ada ide? Do you have any suggestions for me? Apakah kamu punya saran untukku? Will you give me some suggestions? Maukah kamu memberikan beberapa saran? Can you give me some advice about? Bisakah kamu memberikan beberapa saran atau nasihat tentang? Jadi setelah about itu atau setelah tentang itu bisa kita tambahkan dengan topik. Contohnya, can you give me some advice about school? Bisakah kamu memberikanku nasihat atau saran tentang sekolah? Gitu misalnya. Okay, next. Giving suggestion. Nah, tadi sudah belajar bagaimana caranya menanyakan saran seseorang. Nah, sekarang bagaimana caranya memberikan saran kepada seseorang? Giving suggestion. Ada satu kata yang paling umum digunakan oleh orang untuk memberikan saran, yaitu should. Should. L tidak dibunyikan should, yang artinya adalah seharusnya atau sebaiknya. Oke, di sini tuh ada kata harus gitu. Tapi jangan bayangkan ini itu seperti obligation atau kewajiban. Karena perlu diingat, kalau saran itu kan kita bisa membebaskan orang yang kita berikan saran, mau dia mengikuti atau tidak mengikuti saran kita itu terserah dia gitu. Beda sama yang kewajiban. Kalau kewajiban atau keharusan itu, kalau dia tidak melakukan itu, biasanya itu akan ada konsekuensi atas pilihannya itu. Sementara kalau saran itu nggak sama itu, terserah dia yang mau ambil atau nggak, yang penting kita udah ngasih saran, gitu ya. Jadi should artinya adalah seharusnya atau sebaiknya kita gunakan untuk memberikan saran kepada seseorang. Yang gimana sih contoh kalimatnya? Contohnya, you should change your attitude. Kamu seharusnya atau sebaiknya merubah sikapmu. Dan saya temannya agak menyebalkan gitu, dan kita nyaranin dia agar mengubah sikapnya agar dia tidak dibenci oleh orang lain gitu misalnya. Tapi soal dia mau berubah atau tidak, ya itu terserah dia karena kita cuma ngasih saran. Next, you should drink more water. Kamu harus minum lebih banyak air. You should stop eating fast food. Kamu harus berhenti makan makanan instan. Ya perlu diperhatikan di sini ya. Setelah kata should, itu kata kerjanya pasti bentuk dasar itu. Jadi change, berubah, bukan changing. Drink, bukan drinking. Stop, bukan stopping. Ya, jadi kata kerja setelah kata should itu pasti bentuk awal, bentuk dasar. Selain penggunaan kata should, yang paling sering digunakan itu, kita juga punya beberapa ekspresi lain untuk memberikan saran kepada seseorang. Di sini ada 4 ekspresi. Yang pertama itu ada why don't you? Kenapa kamu tidak? Katanya, why don't you go to the doctor? Kenapa kamu tidak pergi ke dokter? Ini kan bentuknya pertanyaan ya, tapi ini sebenarnya adalah saran atau pernyataan yang disebutkan dalam bentuk pertanyaan. Contoh yang kedua itu ada how about? Bagaimana dengan? How about going to Mecca? Bagaimana dengan pergi ke Mekah? Atau bagaimana kalau kita pergi ke Mekah? Saya kalau kita dapat uang 1 miliar, dia bingung mau menggunakan uang itu buat apa. Terus kita nyaranin dia begini, gimana kalau pergi ke Mekah? How about going to Mecca? Next ada you need to, artinya kamu harus. Balik lagi ini harusnya itu konteksnya saran ya. You need to eat more vegetable. Kamu harus makan lebih banyak sayur. Soal dia mau makan banyak sayur atau tidak itu terserah dia. Kita cuma ngasih saran. Next, I suggest and I recommend. Saya sarankan atau saya rekomendasikan. Contoh, I suggest you go to the doctor. Saya sarankan kamu pergi ke dokter. Atau, I recommend you watch this movie. Saya merekomendasikan kamu menonton film ini. Oke, tadi kita sudah belajar bagaimana caranya meminta saran dan memberikan saran. Sekarang bagaimana kalau kita diberikan saran oleh seseorang dan kita mau merespon akan saran tersebut? Oke, yang pertama tuh kita punya accepting the suggestion, menerima saran. Jadi kita suka sama sarannya dan kita akan melakukan sarannya tersebut. Kemudian ada declining the suggestion, menolak saran. Jadi kita tidak suka dan tidak bisa melakukan saran yang diberikan orang. Contohnya, untuk accepting the suggestion kita punya it sounds great. Itu terdengar bagus atau itu terdengar luar biasa. It sounds good to me. Itu terdengar bagus untukku. That's a good idea. Itu ide yang bagus. You're right. Kamu benar. Oke, I will. Oke, saya akan melakukannya. Dan ini yang paling simpel nih. Kalau kita dikasih saran sama orang, kita bisa bilang, thanks, kasih. Nah, gimana kalau misalnya kita tidak suka dengan sarannya, atau kita tidak akan melakukan saran orang itu? Kita bisa bilang, I don't think that's a good idea. Saya tidak berpikir kalau itu ide yang bagus. Kedua, I'm not sure about that. Saya tidak yakin dengan itu. Next, sorry, but I don't think I can do that. Maaf, tapi saya pikir saya tidak bisa melakukan itu.
Jane, my stomach ache is getting worse. What should I do? Why did you take a medicine? I'm chicken, but it's not working. Do you have any other ideas? You should try tea and boiled at least. It works. Seriously? Okay, I'll try it. Thanks. Kasihan beberapa lesson today. Let's say Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Praises be to Allah, Lord of the.
Okay, my student, before our to watching the video, what do you think about the material today?
I don't know how about in you I recommended.
Oh, recommended is good. It's very good for class. Recommended is the recommended, yeah. Okay, Miss, one the question for you. Please, you can to try in the right in your book. Please you can write in your book about the material making suggestion. Please you can give what the example. Contoh. Berikan satu contoh. Making suggestion. Ada yang bisa? Berikan kalimat saran. Ada yang bisa, nak? Yes?
He is responsible.
Okay, a plus. Plus okay. The voice ya, kalimat. Okay. Okay, next. Before our to let's next. Miss, please you can make a group. Please you can make a group and the group 5 students. Okay? Please. Tolong buat kelompok nak. Biasa. Okay, are you finished a group? Okay, my student, sit down. Okay, are you after your group? Sudah? Okay. Please look at in the material today. Making suggestion is apa nih? Give to exercise, ya? Give to solve, give to yeah. Making suggestion is di sini bahasa Indonesia ya, Miss bahasa Inggrisnya ya. Making suggestion adalah ungkapan saran kepada orang lain, sebuah ide. Jadi making suggestion itu nak my idea. Jadi ada ide, ada pengucap, Seperti apa? Berpikir dan memberikan saran. Seharusnya. The sentence is the so. You can look at see in the other student to speak. Jadi kamu lawan bicara kamu tuh bahasa Inggris. How to? Bagaimana kalimat saran yang baik? How to? Is very good. Okay, next kita. 2. Let's do it. Di bawah ini adalah let's do. Let's itu apa artinya? Ayo. Do it itu apa? Ayo melakukan. Okay, good. Next. Ketika kita menggunakan kata, the first is using to word let's to making suggestion in third language English, so the verb is usually the word let's. Jadi kalian menggunakan kata let's to try to the learning or message sheet or to drawing to eyes to make have to can you do. Berarti kamu memberikan kalimat saran yang kamu lakukan, dapat yang kamu lakukan. Jadi contohnya seperti apa, Nak? Seperti apa? What do you do? Itu melakukan nggak? Apa yang kamu lakukan? Kalau kita memberikan saran tuh kayak mana? Seperti ini, Nak. Seperti ini ya. Jika kita melakukan kalimat saran, ketika kalian berada di lingkungan, ada teman kalian butuh pertolongan atau dia ada kesusahan dalam melakukan apapun itu yang dilakukan. Jadi tindakan apa yang kalian berikan? Saran apa, Nak? Ketika dia kecewa dalam keadaan apapun yang dia lakukan? Seperti apa? Misal dia tidak menang dalam perlombaan. Jadi kalian memberikan saran kepada anak tersebut apa, Nak? Teman kamu. Ya, jangan rendah, jangan berkecil hati, kita semangat. Ada lagi contoh yang lain?
Jangan pantang menyerah.
Ya, jangan pantang menyerah. Jadi memberikan kalimat positif. Jangan kita memberikan kalimat yang menegatifkan kepada teman kita ya, agar teman kita itu semakin apa? Bukan berkembang, semakin lebih baik lagi ke depannya. Oke, next. Oke, the material, kita lanjut. The next, number 4. Contoh. The sentence is suggestion. Let's go to movie. Ayo kita pergi nonton. Let's try this restaurant. Ayo ini restoran. Let's arrive to meeting. Ayo kita pergi meeting. Atau di sana ada meeting bisa juga. Let's not go to a Zoom story home instead. Apa itu? Artikan sendiri, belajarlah sendiri. Oke, dari 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dari 4, the 5 is the sentence. Making suggestion is to learning today. Jadi ini sering dilakukan setiap hari. Tapi kalian kebanyakan jarang menggunakan itu ya, Nak ya, karena ada faktor lain. Okay, good. The next material today. Example making suggestion using why don't to subject first verb. Jadi di sini contoh making suggestion menggunakan why don't plus subject first verb. Subjek ini adalah apa? Ketika subjek bahasa Inggris ada berapa? Are you, they, we, see, he, it. Menggunakan verb. Jadi subjek bahasa Inggris kita ada I, you, they, we, see, he, it. Ini adalah subjek yang sering kita temukan. Kalau I ini artinya apa? You, they, we, she, he, it. Jika kita if one choose the simple present tense, kita menggunakan berarti yang ini. Kalau kita menggunakan simple present tense berarti menggunakan I, am. You, I, am. You, are. They, are. We, are. She, is. Benar atau salah? Benar. Di dalam bahasa Inggris menggunakan why don't. Why don't itu apa, Nak? Kenapa tidak? Jadi dia bahasanya kenapa tidak bermasuk. Jadi kayak gini sistemnya itu. Kalian pengen sesuatu, tapi tidak mau melakukan. Jadi bahasanya kenapa tidak saya bisa melakukan itu kan? Itu peribahasanya, Nak ya. Kenapa kita nggak bisa? Kita harus bisa melakukan hal tersebut. Bisakah memberikan beberapa seperti contoh nih? Memberikan contoh lagi ya. Terus selanjutnya. Oke, tuh. The sentence is the making suggestion. Why don't we go to movie? Why don't bermakna seperti let's go. Why don't you come to around 8? Why don't you bermakna seperti I suggest that you come around 8. 8 ini apa artinya? 8. Why don't you taste restaurant? Seperti yang tadi yang di awal. Bermakna seperti I suggest that you try this restaurant. Berarti mencoba untuk restoran. Contoh making suggestion. For example, using shall plus we plus verb. Verb ini di dalam kamus itu ada 3. The first is verb 1, the first verb 2, and verb 3. Okay, next. Ini adalah shall, ini adalah menggunakan making suggestion. Suggestionnya shall. Terkadang menggunakan shall juga bermaksud seperti let us. Agar lebih formal bisanya digunakan okay, yes gitu. Sebagai penjelasan di akhir pertanyaan, nih contoh kalimat pertanyaan yang akhir, example to making giving suggestion, ini memberikan giving suggestion, memberikan kalimat saran. Shall I open the door? Is that okay with you? Shall open the door. Yang mana nak? Kira-kira yang mana kalimat sarannya? Yang mana kalimat sarannya? Ini, shall. Oke, dia menunjukkan bisa seperti let us. Shall we open our gift now? Yang mana? Shall. Lanjut, dan shall we meet in the zoo? Berarti shall itu bisa menggunakan di kalimat terdepan. Oke. Oke, next, my student. Please, can you langsung? Nih. Making suggestion menggunakan should. If the material today, the first, Miss menjelaskan tadi, using should. Shall. Shall itu adalah saran. Paling umum sering digunakan modal shall. Misal ketika Anda sedang bingung, cara paling yang mudah, kayak mana nak sistemnya nak? Take English core of when import your English. Ini di sini ada nih contoh kalimat dialognya. I feel it. Please, one the student give you speak. Ada yang bisa membaca depan? Tinggal baca nak. Please come here. Come here please. You can write in. You can read in Violet. Yes.
I violate my English class. You should come to your teacher and get the help you need during the term.
Okay, good. Upload. Okay, next. Thank you. Abis. Before our learning, Miss 2 question for you. And Miss question for you. Miss ada 2 pertanyaan. Kalian bisa jawab. Today, the material.
Yes.
The question is pemantik. Pemantik, Miss. Oh. What is vocabulary? Vocabulary you know? Vocabulary you know? Vocabulary you know? Kosakata apa yang kalian kenal? Yes?
You should come sebaiknya. Why don't you? Mengapa kamu tidak? How about bagaimana jika?
Okay, good. Very good. And then there's 2 question. What do you mean ever asked to making suggestion? Kalimat saran seperti apa yang pernah dijawab? Pak. Can you explain what the making suggestion? Jelaskan kalimat saran apa yang sudah pernah kalian buat, nak?
I would suggest you to change your lifestyle.
Okay, good, very good. Okay, to the finish the material today, Miss give you LKPD. Please, you can the answer LKPD first group. Yes? Yes. Okay, yes. Please, you can write in your name LKPD. Are you students? Are you after? Sudah? They are after student? Sudah? Sudah semua? Okay, next. Please you can write. Please you can read in the LKPD. LKPD. Okay. LKPD itu adalah lembar kerja peserta didik ya. Lihat di sana. Can you lihat pencapaian pembelajaran kita? Perhatikan. Kamu tolong dibaca per kelompok. Plus can you read in or group? Oke, tujuan pembelajaran kita ini adalah apa? Di situ apa, Nak? Menyebutkan apa? Please you can forward loud. Sar, suaranya. Okay, good. There is the making suggestion is less. Why don't we call what about, how about I suggestion that you mean would you change, I think, I don't think. Please you can give two suggestion using two less. Other material you can see in the material today. Okay, ini sudah Miss jelaskan semua. Next you activity number 1. Please you can read activity number 1. The activity number 1 is the sentence match the following problem to the upright suggestion. Okay, the number one is sentence I have a headache. Silakan Miss kasih waktu untuk menjawab ya. If you want to not the question, please you can question for me. Jika kalian tidak bisa menjawab, boleh bertanya sama Miss. There, my student, after you finish question. Okay, my student, you can first group one by one or group. Yes, stand up in the class. Can you the answer from question for you? My student, you can write in sticky note, and then you stand up in the class. Okay. Diisi ya. Jawaban activity number 1 one sentence you give, berikan di depan. Tempel ya. Please one the sentence. There are student, other you finish? Question today? The other student finish today? No, okay. Okay, please come here, please. What the answer? LKVD. The first question, number 4. Okay, number 4, please. Yes, please. You can read. You can read in the yes.
My English course that we saw during an English course.
Okay, good. Not or true? False or true? Benar atau salah? Benar. Okay, good. After you sit down, please. No, please. Okay. Silakan duduk. Okay. Other group, are you finished? The question?
Yes.
Okay, come here, please. Please, you can read in the keynote.
You should borrow from our center.
You question the answer. Number
5.
Number 5. Okay. False or true? Benar. Okay. And then you come here, please. Okay. Please, you can read.
You shall see at the paradise.
Okay. Benar atau salah? Benar. Is number 4, number group? Group. Other group finish? Come here, please. Let's go. Come here, please. The end to group. Group terakhir. Please, you can read.
You shall clean it regularly.
Okay, good. Other group, please. Ada yang maju? Other group maju. Other group, please. Can you? Okay, please. You can read.
I'm going to go out, but the weather is very cold now.
Okay, good. Number 2. Okay. The other student is very good and the brain is clever. Siswa saya sangat pintar. Okay. Okay, my student. Before our two material today, do you understand what material today? Yes. Sudah mengerti semuanya? Okay, my student. Please, Miss give you. Please, you make the calculation today. You can cancel calculation today. First, one a group. Berikan kesimpulannya pada pelajaran hari ini. Berikan umpan baliknya kepada Miss ya. Oke. Okay. Next. The calculation today. Please, you can write the calculation material today. Making suggestion. Yeah. Yes. After finish. Okay. Next. Come here, please. Calculation, making and giving suggestion can be a value to the various communication. Okay, good. Moral dan memberikan making suggestion. Okay, good. Komunikasi berbicara, komunikasi sama temannya. Okay, another group, come here please. Another group, ada yang perwakilan? Ada perwakilan? Okay, nak. Please you write in the class, in the stand up di kelas. Yes, boleh. Other group, please. Anak-anak Miss ini sangat pintar ya. Hari ini bisa menjawab semuanya. Oke, nak. Let's go. Stand up di kelas. You can write. Apa kesimpulan kita belajar hari ini? Making suggestion. Kesimpulannya. Okay, come here please. You from the group? Number one, okay? A way to ask for suggestion or advice. Okay, good. Another student? Ada lagi? No problem. Please, you can read. Baca.
In English and
See, please.
In English and probably any other language, suggestion and offer are quite different. Suggestion is used to propose or give new ideas to others or an even solution to any issues, merely activity or any other situation. Meanwhile, offer is used to offer a help to others. Therefore, the form of it in a sentence is different.
Okay, very good night. Jadi perhatikan nak ya, jadi kesimpulan kita hari ini, making suggestion itu adalah, apa tadi, kalimat saran. Jadi kalian dimanapun kalian berada, kalimat saran itu sangat digunakan dan sangat bermanfaat bagi teman kita. Seperti let's go, ayo kita pergi menonton, ini kalimat yang sering dilakukan kita di kehidupan sehari-hari. Seperti ayo kita piket di dalam kelas, ya seperti itu ya. Atau ayo kita mencuci piring, bantu ibu kamu mencuci piring, kan itu kalimat saran gitu. Okay, my student, any question for you today? Ada pertanyaan untuk Miss? Kalau tidak ada, Miss melanjutkan LKVD tadi. Before text the activity number 2, you can open the activity number 2, please. The activity number 2. Next. Number 1, your friend's situation. Your friend's situation is with some wives. What shall to be respond the statement? Situasi responnya di situ apa nak? Coba kamu lihat. The number 1. Number 1 is A. I would suggest you to drink a lot. B. I would to suggest you to sleep earlier. C. I would suggestion you to go the cinema. D. I want to suggestion you to check your lifestyle. There are is the answer number 1 is A, B, C or D? D. True or false? Betul atau salah? Betul. Good. And then to number 2, the question. Other student, please give you one by one in the class. Kamu jawab pertanyaan nomor 2 dan maju ke depan. Please come here. Ya. Ya. No, please, I'm too skinny for you. I'm so sorry. Please, you can write in skinny. Yes. The answer, jawaban. Yes. Come here, you. Okay. Are you skinny? Yes. The answer is number 4. Number 4. Okay. Please, number 4 is the answer. Question is, I had to take tool. What to solve to do? The answer? Tell. Okay, please you can read. Baca. Bacain nak. Lalu tempel ke depan ya. Baca.
I have to touch what, so I do. Answer. I'm sorry, I never had to touch.
Okay, good. Applause today. Okay, the next number. Number 3, come here please. The answer the number 2. Okay, come here please today. You give the answer number? Okay, 2. Yes.
Situation. Heru is having cold. Doctor advice below is correct speech. C. I advise you to eat ice cream more.
Okay, the answer 2, number 2, and you can see the answer C. I advise you to eat the ice cream more. Okay, applause. The next is number 4. Can we please? Other finish the number 4. Come here please. Other student. Question the number other. Yeah. Come here please. Yes, come here please. You can read in our question.
Tell 40 to Nickabor to best for I will.
Okay, the answer number
3.
oh, child quality ya, Desmond. Okay, applause. Okay, the next number 5. Are you finished number 5? Other group? Okay, come here please. Come here please. Okay, please you can read in your the LKPD.
You want to teach your crews, but you are afraid to do that. You want to ask for some advice from your friend. You can say all the following except
Okay, why don't you try? You text him, her.
E.
Okay, good. The next number, the next number, 6. Other group, come here please. Other finish, number 6. Please come here, please. Come here. Okay, come here please. Do you give skin up? Okay. Do you finish? Okay. Another student, come here. Please, you can read in your the answer.
Situation. Your friend needs a book for his homework, but he doesn't have enough money to buy it. What will you suggest him? A. You should borrow from our seniors.
Okay, good. Other student, finish the answer. Okay, next the task exercises activity number 3. Please, you can read in activity number 3. The exercise activity number 3. Activity number 3. Situation. Your friend needs a book for his homework, but he doesn't have enough money to buy it. What will you suggest him? The answer, other student, you can answer question number 1. Come here please. Miss kasih waktu kamu untuk menjawab. I'm to the time today. Jawab. After you finish the question number 1, yes, I'm so sorry. I not to give you skin note. Thank you. Yes. Other give you skin note? Yes. Yes, number 6 you. Others give skin note. Please come here. Can you read in the answer the number? Number 6. Okay, the answer. Please you can read in your the answer number 6.
You should from
Repeat again.
you should borrow from our seniors.
Okay, the answer is you shall borrow from our
seniors.
senior. Good. It is true. Good. Applause. Another student. Question number 7. Okay. Come here, please. You can answer the number. Okay, the number 7 ya. You. The answer number 7. Please you can read in your the answer number 7.
You should open Google Maps application you're on the phone.
Okay, good, true. Senyum to smile today. Okay, please you can let tempel nak. The answer the tempel. Okay, other student number 8. The question number 8. Other finish? Come here, please. The answer number 8. Come here, please. The answer number 8. Do you wish the not? Come here, please. Do you number? The answer numbers?
10.
Number 10. Okay. Good. Come here, please. Please, you can read the number. The answer the number 10.
Situation. Tom looks very tired. What's your suggestion to him? I think you ought to get some rest.
Okay, good. Applause. Okay. My student is the answer number 10. And other number 9, number 8, until you finish. Sudah semua? No, the more is the question for you. Come here. The answer is the number 8. Come here, please. Please, you can read.
I want to have a healthy lifestyle. What should I do? You should sleep better, eat healthier, and do workout.
Okay, good. Applause. Another finish question. Okay, the next number 9. Come here, please. The question is number 9. Please the answer.
What's your suggestion to him? See, I think you ought to get some rest.
Okay, good. Applause today. Another finish question? Okay, my student. There is the question for the activity number 1, activity number 2, and then activity number 3. There my student is the true. Banyak yang benar. Okay, the first is the Number 10, situation to look very cheap. What's your suggestion to him? Jawaban the answer is number 10, C jawabannya. Please look it the read your LKVD. Tolong dibacakan nomor yang bagian C nomor 10. Tolong dibacakan. Okay, summarize. Okay, good. Before our tour learning tadi, sebelum kita memulai pelajaran pertama tadi, Nak, adakah kita yang belum? My question to our pemantik. Sebelum kita ini, Nak, tadi kan Miska memberikan making suggestion. Sebelum kalian memasukkan pelajaran materi making suggestion ini, pernahkah kalian sebelumnya mengenal kosakata selain making suggestion? Any vocabulary you know? Kosakata apa yang kalian kenal, Nak, selain and other making suggestion? Ayo, you can please the answer for me. You can please the answer for me. Any vocabulary you know? My question pemantik for you. From you. Any vocabulary you know? Other student, you can answer for me. Adakah yang bisa selain making suggestion? Kosakata apa yang kalian tahu? Yang kamu kenal? Yes? Please, you can stand. Come here, please. Stand up the class. Please read the answer in the keynote. What is your name? What is your name?
Aris.
Are you okay? Yes, okay. Do you not neighbors today? Because you smile. Smile. Okay? Do you answer? Do you answer for me? Bisa jawab pertanyaan saya tadi?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Please come here, please. Come here, please, my student. Give you to write, and then you stand up in class. Okay. Vocabulary, do you know? Kosakata? Oh, yes. Why don't you? Please give you write. Read in the class and do write in keynote. Come here, please. Other student, the answer for me. Ada yang bisa menjawab pertanyaan saya? Yes, come here. Please, you can read.
What vocabulary do you know? You should. Why don't you? How about?
How about? Okay. Vocabulary do you know? You saw. Why don't you? How about? This is the material today. Is true? Benar kan?
Benar.
Ya, tadi materi kita menjelaskan tentang should, why, dan you. Please, you can tempel. Tempel kan? Another student? Ada yang lain lagi? Or group? Please, Miss give you the answer per group. The first is the one. Do you group? Group 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Please, perwakilan maju satu persatu. Nah, my student is the material today. Language English, the using making suggestion is the true. Other, how many? Berapa banyak making suggestion? Banyak sekali. Gimana banyaknya? Karena kehidupan kita sehari-hari ini banyak. Ya, the first using to solve. And the second, you give the sentence let's go. Let's go itu sering kita gunakan setiap hari. If you want choose, the making suggestion is using to every day. Jadi making suggestion ini sangat berguna setiap hari. For example, you please my student, you can do peragakan ke depan communication from speaking English. Do you know understand but the speak in English or Indonesian? Boleh Indonesia, boleh bahasa Inggrisnya. Asal kalian bisa mempraktekkan peragakan bagaimana cara menggunakan bahasa saran tadi. Come here please. Ayo. You boy, come here. Do not. Okay, ada yang bisa? You communication from other student using to making suggestion. The sentence making suggestion. One, you do one the question and then two friend the answer. Jadi teman kalian menjawab dan teman kalian tuh memberikan pertanyaan. Jadi ada umpan balik. Ada yang bisa maju ke depan? Do you not in speaking English? Please you can try in Indonesian. Jadi kalau kalian nggak bisa bahasa Inggris, boleh bahasa Indonesianya. Boleh. Silakan, come here. Okay. You. Okay, from. Come here, please. Okay. Yes, no problem.
Any good place to eat around here? Hey, apakah kamu tahu tempat makan yang bagus di sini?
Tempat makan yang bagus di sini. Ya. Need a book suggestion good any? Yo, aku butuh saran buku ada yang punya?
Okay, good, very good today. The answer. Okay, the other my student, the next practice in the class, making suggestion. Other student, the practice suggestion, making suggestion. Ada? Nggak bisa bahasa Inggrisnya, bahasa Indonesianya silakan. Okay. Do you understand but making suggestion? Kalian mengerti apa itu making suggestion? Yes. Making suggestion and giving suggestion is related. The relate berkaitan nggak? Oke. Jadi kita bisa gunakan giving opinion atau giving suggestion. Giving suggestion. And then making suggestion memberikan saran. Giving suggestion memberikan saran juga. Bedanya make itu adalah membuat. Jadi kalian bisa membuat dan memberikan saran. Any question for today? No. Do you understand but material today? First, please you can do umpan balik for me. Berikan umpan baliknya kepada Miss. But the text, the exercise today. Karena kita sudah latihan. Why do you don't to question for you activity number 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. Berikan umpan balik kepada Miss. Bagaimana kalian cara mengisinya? Apakah sulit bagi kalian atau mudah? Please, can you material today? Do you know Skin Not Miss? Ada yang lihat Skin Not Miss? No. Please you can write in umpan balik ya. Tulis di umpan baliknya exercise today. Latihan hari ini. In English a group and then Indonesian to try. Boleh. Okay. Yes. Boleh. You wish to? You wish to? Okay. After you finish, okay, come here please. Please you can read. Please you can read. Step at the class. Step at the class. Step at the class. Yes.
Sangat baik dan mudah dan banyak memberi pelajaran yang baik.
Okay, good. Good. Very good very good the umpan baliknya. Sangat baik dan mudah dan banyak memberikan pelajaran baik. Is very good. Berarti the very to ask give you to learn today. Berarti dia memberikan pelajaran hari ini. Okay, good. Dan please you can read.
Rasanya lumayan dan saya sangat senang dalam mengerjakannya.
Benar. Aplaus dulu. Oke. Rasanya lumayan dan sangat senang dalam mengerjakannya. Good luck today. Oke, other student. Keep. Berikan.
Sangat mudah dan menyenangkan karena kita sudah mempelajari materi, jadi saat menjawab soal tidak kesusahan.
Oh iya, good. It's to using a brain. Berarti membantu otak kalian ya. Kamu bisa untuk otak kalian. And other group? Ada lagi yang grup lain? Oke, come here please.
Lumayan mudah dan pelajarannya yang mudah dipahami.
Oke, good. Mudah understand, dipahami ya. Oke, come here please.
Sangat mudah dan dapat dipahami dengan mudah.
Oke, good. Very good. Please, you can sample. Okay, are you finished? Yes. The activity number 3, yes. You can look at is the video. No. I'm so sorry. Please, you can look it the apa nama? LKVD. LKVD. Number 4. Any question for you LKVD? Ada pertanyaan untuk Miss yang dalam kalian mencarikan jawaban? Jika ada kesulitan bicara. Okay, question today. Are you okay? Okay. The conclusion today is you give to making suggestion every day. Do you not understand but the making suggestion? Do you to solve? Kamu harus bisa gitu. Walaupun if one choose you not the speaking and English di class, give you Indonesian. Kalau kamu tidak bisa berbicara bahasa Indonesia, bahasa Inggrisnya, bahasa Indonesianya. Jadi please you can try in the class today. Communication, making suggestion. Making suggestion is the important today. Sangat penting. If you know the understand, if you know give to making suggestion, do you not other student and attitude every day. Jadi kalau kalian tidak menggunakan making suggestion tuh setiap hari kalian attitude-nya kurang baik ya. karena tidak ada mengungkap memberi saran terhadap teman-teman sendiri. Coba Miss berikan contoh kamu. Miss berikan contoh kamu seperti ini, nak. Kalian membuat kalimat seperti ini. Siapa yang bisa memperagakan maju ke depan berbicara bahasa Inggris? Seandainya teman kamu ini salah, bagaimana keadaan salah tuh? Misalnya teman kamu tidak membuat tugas. Bagaimana sarannya nak baik untuk teman? Do you know that the friends not the exercise, tidak membuat tugas. You can the answer you can making suggestion the answer from student from the friends for you. Jadi kalian itu memberikan kalimat saran kepada teman kalian itu seperti apa kalau dia tidak belajar, nak? Seperti apa? Siapa yang bisa menjawab? Who the answer today? Who is the answer today? Siapa yang bisa menjawab pertanyaan Miss? Siapa yang bisa memberikan saran itu kepada teman kalian tidak bisa belajar? Nah, belajar matematika. Seandainya Miss ini belajar nih matematika, Miss, sudahlah besok Miss nggak mau buat matematika, bodo amat, kan sekolah juga nggak jarang belajar misalnya. Nah, bagaimana saran kalian kepada Miss? Berikan. Coba. Ada yang bisa? Please, come here please. Ada yang bisa?
Bahasa Inggris.
Boleh bahasa Indonesia, boleh bahasa Inggris. Ada yang bisa, nak? Come here please. Miss kata Miss, if to watch, speak, malas, I'm too better today. No bad in English, because I'm too clever today. Saya tidak bisa bahasa Inggris. And then you answer Indonesian, boleh. Kalau Miss tidak suka dengan bahasa Inggris, kamu menyarankan Miss itu seperti apa, nak? Making suggestion for you. One the sentence for you today. Berikan satu kalimat, making suggestion. Come here please. Tidak bisa bahasa Indonesia, bahasa Inggris. Come here. You can try. Mau jawab? Or do you smile? Do you know nervous today? Give you smile. No, nervous today. Jangan grogi, jangan takut. Kita belajar. We will to learning today, to lesson, to learning, to lesson. Kita belajar hari ini ya. Oke. Seandainya Miss tadi kan malas nih bolos. Mau bolosan bahasa Inggris. Sebaiknya kamu lebih sering belajar dan mengerjakan tugas yang diberikan dengan tepat waktu agar kamu juga mendapatkan ilmu yang bagus. Benar atau salah sarannya seperti ini? Benar. Other student is good to sentence. You can give the sentence is the true. Kalian bisa membuat kalimat dengan benar. The sentence is sebaiknya kamu lebih sering. Berarti saran dia baik untuk Miss. Mengajarkan Miss itu lebih sering belajar, ya. Berarti Miss jangan bolos. Berarti Miss yang bolos nih. Nah, bagaimana ketika teman kalian geng-geng motor? Nah, bagaimana kalian memberikan saran kepada teman kalian yang sibuk bermotor? Kesibukannya bermotor? Bahaya tidak pakai motor itu? Bahaya. Nah, gimana, nak? Kalian untuk memberikan saran. Takut terjadi hal yang tidak diinginkan, tuh bagaimana? What do you think about them? Making suggestion. Your brain. Yang di otak kalian itu apa? Making suggestion itu apa? Ada the answer for me? Yes, good. Bahasa Indonesia. You can try to read and you speak. Boleh berbicara dan boleh menulis. Jangan terlalu mengebut mengendarai motor. This is the warning. This is warning. This is warning. Benar. This is true the sentence because the warning. Tapi ini kebanyakan di warning ya, nah. Di warning ucapan warning. Tahu warning nggak? Tahu. Nah, yang sering diletakkan di mana-mana di tempat umum, petunjuk gitu ya. Jangan buang sampah di sini, berarti kan warning, dilarang gitu kan. Jangan buang sampah di sini. This is the sentence is the making suggestion or no. Yang Miss bilang don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Other student? Okay. The question other text number 1, number 3, and activity number 3. Activity number 1, number 2, and then number 3. The first is until the finish the answer and question today. Kita sudah menjelaskan semuanya dan kita menjawab pertanyaan dari soal pertama dan soal activity number 3 ya, activity 3. The other question, the sentence in exercise LKPD, if you not the answer. Jadi kalian tuh menjawab semua anak ya, tidak ada yang tidak menjawab. Menurut kalian, what do you opinion? What do you think about opinion but the LKPD? Apa yang kamu pikirkan tentang materi kita yang ada di LKPD itu, nak? Kembali lagi ke material about this today. Materi kita hari ini. Berarti kita ini harus sering-sering memberi saran. Jadi ketika saran itu sangat berguna kepada teman kita yang sangat membutuhkan ya, seperti kasih sayang atau teman kita yang sering bolos, minggat, dan tidak mengerjakan tugas. Dan kita juga bisa mengajak seseorang atau orang tua kalian untuk pergi kemana-mana. Nah, misal orang tua hari ini kita mau berangkat ke Bandung ya, let's go to Bandung. Kalau hati kalian tidak enak, kalian cukup memberi saran. Saran seperti apa? Misal, jika hati tidak enak, maka kita tunda dulu untuk berpergi. Ya, jangan dulu Bu pergi, takut terjadi sesuatu. Itu saran kita, nak. Jadi sangat berguna. Any question for you, my student? Any question? Two more? Ada lagi pertanyaan? No. Do you understand about the material today? Yes. The material today, making suggestion. And yesterday the and then yesterday giving opinion. Giving opinion tadi memberikan pendapat. Itu materi kemarin. Dan materi sekarang itu making suggestion. Sangat to relate. Jadi sangat berkaitan. Nah, ini cukup luar biasa nih. Jika nanti kita ketemu di kedepannya, Miss minta kalian bisa sudah menggunakan making suggestion. Jadi kalian to or do understand. Jadi kalau kalian tidak mengerti to question for me. Jadi bertanya lagi kepada Miss ya. Kalau kalian if you want to not the answer the question for me, you can to try is communication for me. You can speak in English for me. Jadi kalau kalian tidak bisa berbicara bahasa Inggris, and to try in Indonesian. Bicara bahasa Indonesia. Using to solve is making suggestion. Gunakan kalimat saran. Don't to check to learn. Jadi jangan takut untuk belajar. Using to word is speaking English, making suggestion. Minggu depan nanti to next day we give you making suggestion to remember, to try is communication, making suggestion. Jadi Miss setiap minggu pertemuan Miss selalu mengingatkan to always ya, mengingatkan kalian tentang making suggestion ini. Understand for you? Do you understand? Any question today to group? Benar. Okay. Before after you finish today the material, saran Miss kepada kalian, semoga kalian ini kedepannya lebih baik lagi ya. Nah, kurangi untuk main-mainnya. Do you not is the class play class? Jadi not the class play. Jadi kurangi mainnya di dalam kelas. To please can you to try it how to learning. Jadi banyak-banyakin belajar. Lesson today belajar lagi, lesson to try belajar coba lagi, lesson to ask dan lain-lainnya. The other student setiap hari kita belajar. Jadi jangan takut untuk belajar. Oke. Hari ini materi kita memang seadanya seperti ini nak ya. Making suggestion is the for my Ya, my idea ya. Jadi setiap kalian memberikan saran itu ada di otak kalian. Paham tidak? Jadi ucapan itu adalah perkataan yang paling positif itu di mana? Di otak. Okay, suggestion. Are you understand about the material today? Yes. Are you okay today, my student? Yes. Do you text me? Do you like me? No. Yes. Okay. Do you like material today? Yes. Do you don't do material today? Do you don't do material today? Oke, berarti kalian nyambung ya. Berarti kamu suka dengan pelajaran Miss. Thank you so much for my student ya. And then the video to watching the video. Ingatkan saat kalian menonton video tadi, gimana caranya mengulangi saran tadi di rumah. Jadi jangan takut untuk bercommunication from Miss. Setiap every day to more to speaking in English, you can give the question and the answer for me today. Setiap hari. Jadi jangan takut, don't touch me. Jangan takut ya, jangan takut untuk melakukan kegiatan hal positif di lingkungan sekolah. Okay, are you okay? You are. What is your name? Are you okay? Okay, what is your name? Are you okay? Okay, semangat full. Okay, okay, my student. Please you can give to apa namanya ini? Sticky note. There is note. Yes, okay. Please you rapi sebentar, duduknya rapi. Bukunya disimpan. Oke. Sebelum kita penutupan, coba. Adakah kalian yang masih menjanggal untuk bertanya lagi tentang making suggestion today? They are my student. They give you question. Are you answer for you? From you. Adakah? No. Okay. Please you can give to pray today. The conclusion the pray today. Finish kita belajar hari ini. You can pray. Baca doanya, nah silakan. Let's pray together. Please you speak in English. No. Please you please speak Indonesian. Doa. Let's pray together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, my student, kalian jika if you want choose to home, please you can communication from in English making suggestion. Jadi kalau kalian pulang, kamu gunakan kalimat making suggestion. Jika adik-adik kalian yang melakukan kesalahan ataupun mengajak kalian untuk pergi kemana-mana, gunakanlah let's go to let's go to bla 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 apa ya. Contohnya seperti itu ya. Atau kalian gunakan ibu kalian mau saran hari ini kita mau masak apa ya? Kalian bisa jawab mau masak rendang. Memberikan give you to making suggestion ya. Give making suggestion dan making suggestion. Jadi bisa memberikan dan bisa menerima dan memberikan dan bisa membuat kalimatnya tadi. Tidak? Bisa kan? Bisa. Do you understand about the material today? Yes. Okay, good. Thank you student for apologize today. Do you understand about material today for me? I'm to thank you so much. And then to solve, my student give you a brain to clever, other to feature, lecture. Jadi Miss minta semoga kedepannya kalian lebih baik lagi, lebih bermanfaat, dan terima kasih sudah mendengarkan materi Miss sampai selesai. Semoga apa yang kita kerjakan hari ini dan kita laksanakan tugas hari ini menjadi bermanfaat. Okay, now do you understand for me? Do you not like me? Are you like okay? Okay. Do you like me? Are you okay? Okay. Thank you so much today. You welcome today. Kita ketemu di next day ya. Next day to Monday. Okay, thank you ya so much ya. Understand but the material today. Thank you very today, Miss. Miss sangat terima kasih sekali kepada kalian ya. Sekali lagi kalian ini sangat baik ya dalam hari ini ya. Ada yang sakit atau kemana ya, semangat namanya belajar ya nak ya. Oke, do you understand but today? Oke. Masih ingat dengan yang keynote kita tadi? Oke. Oke, silakan kalian pulang. Kita selesai.